All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to solve for x again. And this time we're going to do x squared minus 9x plus 18 equals 0. So I've been glossing over this a little bit, but remember a is equal to 1. Even though I don't have a 1 here, it's really 1x squared, right? B is equal to negative 9, and C is equal to 18. So where am I getting that from? Well, it wasn't written down, but there is an implied 1 there. In front of x, which is bx, right, it's negative 9, and then c is just this number by itself. And what we've been doing when we do the guess and check is we're saying, okay, what two numbers can I add up to equal negative 9, but when I multiply them, they equal a times c, or 1 times 18, which is actually 18. Well, I know that 6 times 3 equals 18, but 6 plus 3 equals a positive 9. But if I make 6 negative and 3 negative, that adds up to a negative 9. And then if this is a negative and this is a negative, what's negative 6 times negative 3 equal? Positive 18. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split these up into negative 6x minus 3x plus 18, and that equals 0. Now, when we guess and check, this is kind of what we're doing in one swoop, and it's okay to apply it to this one too. The AC method works always. So now I'm going to take, I love how you guys automatically called it a T-chart. I'm going to factor something out of these first two terms. So what I'm going to factor out is an x, because that's the only thing they have in common is x. X times x equals x squared, and then x times negative 6 equals negative 6x. So I'm going to double check real quick. X times x does equal x squared. X times negative 6 does equal negative 6x. Now, if this is factorable, I should be able to factor something out that leaves me with x minus 6. Now, I think if I factor out a negative 3, that would work. So let's check. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 6 does equal positive 18. So now I'm going to factor out this common factor of x minus 6 times whatever's left over, which is x minus 3. That's all set equal to 0. Then I say x minus 6 equals 0. X minus 3 equals 0. Then x equals a positive 6. And x equals a positive 3. And that is it on that one. Now, the only other thing is, how can I double check to make sure that's the right answer? You guessed it, we got to graph it. So if I graph this, I'm just going to, well, let me turn it on. Let me pull up the thing so you can see it a little better too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and I'm going to plug in, I got to clear this one out. Then I'm going to clear this one out. And I'm going to say x squared minus 9x plus 18. Where should this thing cross? it should cross at 3 and 6. And it does. So let me just draw this down. Now you guys just can sketch it, but it's really important. The reason I'm graphing this every time is I want you guys to develop a good habit of double checking your work. And I also want you guys to see the relationship between those. So this one is 3, 0. And this one is 6, 0. How do I know? Because I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So this is the x value and the corresponding y value. And that's it.